how to get the IC Markets app on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to get the IC Markets app on your smartphone quickly and easily. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you open it up, go to the search bar and type in IC Markets and search. From the search results, look for the IC Markets app from Raw Trading Limited and tap on the Get or the Install button. Go ahead and authenticate the download on your iOS if you're using the iOS device, and once you do, the download process will complete. Once the download is done, click on Open and then you'll end up in this welcome screen. From here, you can go ahead and sign into your existing account or continue creating a new one. As a beginner, you can try with a free demo account so that you don't have to risk real money while you practice. So that is how you easily download and install the IC Markets app on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.